The year is 2026, and Brabus has once again shattered expectations, taking the world of luxury performance to a place nobody thought possible. Imagine everything you know about Brabus: their aggressive tuning, their obsession with precision engineering, their bold, unapologetic style, and now picture it stretched, sculpted, and transformed into the ultimate motorhome camper. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling fortress of luxury and performance, a statement of power and freedom built for those who refuse to compromise. The exterior of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome Camper immediately dominates your attention. Jet black paint, carbon fiber aerodynamic kits, massive 24-inch forged wheels, and the iconic Brabus badging all combine to give this machine the presence of a supercar disguised as an RV. Even at rest, it looks like it's ready to launch across continents. Integrated LED light strips illuminate the body, while adaptive suspension lowers the camper at the push of a button, making it look like a crouching beast ready to strike. This is Brabus design philosophy: aggressive, elegant, and utterly unique. Step inside, and you enter a universe where performance meets pure indulgence. The cabin is a masterpiece, trimmed in hand-stitched Brabus fine leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber. Ambient LED lighting floods the interior in customizable colors, creating a private lounge that feels more like the VIP section of a superyacht than a camper. The living area is wrapped with panoramic smart glass windows that tint instantly for privacy or clear up to reveal the world outside. A retractable 65-inch 8K screen rises from the wall, paired with a Brabus 3D surround sound system that turns every moment into a cinematic experience. The kitchen is a chef's dream, crafted with carbon accents, brushed aluminum finishes, and state-of-the-art appliances. Touchscreen controls give you instant command of induction cooktops, refrigeration, and a smart coffee system, while hidden compartments preserve that clean, futuristic aesthetic. This isn't just functionality, it's lifestyle redefined by Brabus. Move further back, and the bedroom takes center stage. Imagine sinking into a king-sized bed wrapped in Italian leather with Brabus embroidery, while a ceiling lined with a customizable LED starlight display sets the mood. Storage is seamless, integrated into the design, while a walk-in closet and luxury vanity bring hotel suite vibes on the open road. And of course, the bathroom doesn't compromise. Heated marble floors, rainfall showers, and even gold-finished fixtures elevate this motorhome into a mobile 5-star penthouse. Underneath all this luxury lies the beating heart of Brabus engineering. At its core, a reimagined V8 twin-turbo engine roars with over 800 horsepower, seamlessly paired with hybrid technology for efficiency when you need it and raw, unrelenting power when you demand it. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a high-performance machine capable of overtaking highways with the soul of a Brabus supercar. Advanced air suspension adapts to every terrain, while cutting-edge all-wheel drive ensures stability whether you're cruising mountain passes, city streets, or endless highways. Technology completes the experience. The cockpit comes alive with dual digital displays, Brabus performance telemetry, AI-powered navigation, and semi-autonomous driving features designed to take the pressure off long journeys. With 5G connectivity, voice command controls, and remote access through your smartphone, the Brabus Motorhome Camper is more than a vehicle, it's an intelligent travel companion. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome Camper is more than transportation. It's a vision of freedom, wrapped in luxury, engineered with performance, and designed with a presence that refuses to blend in. For those who demand the very best, who want not just to travel but to arrive in absolute dominance, this is the future. This is Brabus on a scale the world has never seen.